Guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches. So guys, as you know, you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on offline market, or you can go to Facebook pages and ask them about your services, or you can make logo for your own business or YouTube channel, etc. So let's or you can go to google.com and search websites related to your niche and ask them about your services. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. You can easily learn it in some time, and if you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section, and here I upload a complete playlist series on Canva designing course, so you can learn from there. And after watching the playlist, I surely say that you know almost everything about Canva. So let's start. So click on create a design. Here I search logo, and 500 by 500 pixel is the most widely used format for logo. So let's see. And our dummy company name is Medical Mac. So we search, go to element and search here medical, and let's see, let's choose one of the best graphic element. I think this one is good, so I like this one. After that, click on text, add a text, and here I write, sorry, medical Mac, and after that we place it here. And now I want to change the font style, Maharlika, and let's see. Yeah, it's look good. It's good. I select both, and that's good. Let's check out some other colors. I choose light pink, and this is light pink color, so it's look good. So our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.